The very center of your heart is where life begins. The most beautiful place on earth. Everything in the universe is within you. Ask all from yourself. There are 1,000 ways to kneel and kiss the ground. There are 1,000 ways to go home again. Forget safety. Live where you fear to live. Inside of you, there's an artist you don't know about. This place is a dream. Only a sleeper considers it real. Then death comes like dawn, and you wake up laughing at what you thought was your grief. You were born with wings. Why prefer to crawl through life? All I have seen teaches me to trust the Creator for all I have not seen. Wear gratitude like a cloak, and it will feed every corner of your life. The womb is the place where the light enters you. Like, subscribe, comment. Inspiration in spirit, through spirit, comes in many forms. People, places, everything. Some touch you deeper than others, for that is their purpose, to touch you. And sometimes the multitudes. The Goddess Temple Palace offers you many ways to find your way back to you. As you head home from within, so do I, my friend, my ally, the tribe of Opulence. Do come again. Namaste, Salom, Hotep.